How to cash out from crypto.com on-chain wallet. Hey guys, today I will show you how to cash out from crypto.com on-chain wallet. This is important because you can't directly convert crypto to cash in this wallet. It's designed for crypto transactions only. The solution is to send your crypto back to a centralized exchange where you can sell it for cash. If you have a crypto.com app account, this process is super easy. Tap the wallet icon at the bottom right, select your asset, then tap send at the top. If you're connected to the crypto.com app option, tap that, sign in, and it will link your wallet to your exchange account. Next time you send assets, you can choose to send directly to your app account with one tap. Before sending anything, remember two critical points. First, you need some gas coin on your network, EH for Ethereum networks, SOL for Solana, etc., to pay transaction fees. Second, if you have obscure tokens, you might need to swap them for a major coin first. To swap small coins, go to Swap and Bridge, select your token, choose a major coin like EH, and complete the swap. This clears your wallet while covering gas fees. Now to send to your exchange, tap send, paste the deposit address from your exchange, make sure asset and network match and confirm. Once the crypto arrives at your exchange, you can sell it for cash. After selling, go to your cash account, tap withdraw, link your bank account if needed, and transfer the funds. This multi-step process is necessary because on-chain wallet don't connect directly to banking systems. For exchanges that don't support your local currency, check the description for links to guides on the best exchanges for your region. I've also included deposit and trading bonus links that can save you money. Please like and subscribe.